What's up? Tang gang, gang. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. I hope you like what you see. Do me a favor and click that subscribe button real quick and join the Tang gang. You feel me? Join the Tang gang. You be doing your girl a big favor. So why not, guys? Like, hit that subscribe button. It's free. You don't have to pay for anything. It's just the click of a button. It's as easy as that. So do it. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am going to be doing a DIY hair mask with banana, olive oil, and honey. Hopefully it's gonna be really moisturizing for my hair. I'm also gonna do a coffee and condition where I talk about goals that I have for my hair as I embark on this journey. You know what, guys? Join me on this journey. Let's do it together. So yeah, that's literally all I'm gonna be doing today. If you don't already, again, follow my Instagram. It's down below. And yes, pretty sure that's it, guys. So let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so today was actually a wash day for me, so my hair is soaking wet and I literally just finished rinsing out my conditioner. This was just a straight out the shower situation. I guess you could do this on dry hair. I wouldn't really suggest it. Normally, like, if I'm gonna do this style, I'd like spray my hair, at least have it like be damp before you attempt to do this twist out, this three-strand twist out. So yes, that is actually what I'm going to do, even though, okay, my hair. So yes, I'm just wanting to let you guys know that I'm working on freshly washed hair, but your hair doesn't have to be freshly washed. It's just a coincidence. I was about to say coincidence. It's just a coincidence that I fell on this day because I like to film on my weekends, have my weeks to edit, so that's just the tea. So yeah, so basically I just came out of the shower. I haven't actually put anything in my hair. Why can't I speak today? Just English. Okay. So yeah, I just came out of the shower. Like, I don't have anything in my hair right now. It's just rinsed out my conditioner. That's all. So there's no product in my hair right now. So you guys know I'm going to use my Jamaican Black castor oil, Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. I'm gonna use my oil mix, which is Jamaican Black castor oil, olive oil, and almond oil. I'm gonna have my aloe vera juice just to, you know, close them hair follicles, trapping the moisture inside, you know, all that good stuff. So yes, let us get started with that. I'm going to split my hair. Okay, I'm gonna work one half at a time, as you know I normally do. So I'm going to split this half into 3 sections and work on that half and then do the other half. Repeat the same process. Ain't rocket science. Y'all know by now. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. I can't tell you how soft my hair feels right now. Like, I actually can't explain to you. It just feels, and there's no product in it too. Like, the conditioner is just that good and it smells good. Everything. You know that one day that everything's working for you with your hair and you're just like, yes! Yes, that's how I feel right now. Just gonna use a hair tie to get this side out of the way because I don't want my hair to shrink too much, and it's really good at doing that when I just use the clips. So I'm going to use a hair tie. Right. Alrighty tidy. So we have this section. It's still damp. So yes, this is what we start with. So I start with my aloe juice. I'm just going to spritz the section. Again, we don't want it soaking wet. Just generous amount. Generous amount. Take an oil mix. Gonna work that in from ends to roots. the leave-in conditioner. Again, working that in from ends to roots. I'm not gonna show you guys all the sections. Y'all have seen me do this before, so I'm just gonna repeat that same process on my whole head. All right, so I did that. I finished with my oils and my conditioner, and after I just did the section, I just left it in twists because I'm going to actually apply the product that I'm using for my twist out in sections and twist them in sections, if that makes sense, so that it's not as overwhelming for me. Yeah, so I'm just going to get these twists out of the way. Just put them, ponytail. Oh wow, what a look. Okay, so now that I have done that, I'm going to clip these ones up here so that they are also out of my way. And yes, okay, so today the product that I'm going to be using for my twist out is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curling Gel Soufflé. So this product, I like it a lot because, well, you know how I told you guys that I don't really like using gels on my hair. This one I found is like the only one that doesn't really give me them flakes, you know, like after a while some gels, they start flaking in the hair and then it looks like dandruff, and I'm just like, why? But this one is nice. It's not like as strong of a hold. I feel like it's more like oily-ish based, you know, if that makes sense. So, and it smells so good, still gets the job done, and really is really super moisturizing for my hair. The thing on the tub, it says define and elongate curls while controlling frizz with this hybrid oil gel souffle styler. So it's an oil gel. I feel like my hair likes that a lot more than just like basic normal gels that aren't oil gels, because when I used this, I was really surprised at the results and that it didn't flake. My hair felt super soft, guys. Felt super soft. And yeah, so with this, I'm just gonna tell you guys that a little goes a long way, and if you put too much, your hair will kind of be sticky. So don't use too much. And I'm definitely not gonna use too much, especially because this is twist out, not me trying to, you know, get that curl definition in my own curl pattern, you know. So yeah, we've already moisturized. My hair's feeling super soft right now, super nice and moisturized. I'm just gonna undo this twist. We are going to just work a little bit at a time. Oh yes, wow. Right, so I'm actually just gonna apply it to the whole section and then like twist it in like smaller twists. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so this is like not as thick and slimy as the Cantu curling gel that I used last week, yes, for my defining curls video. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this on my finger, rub it. We're gonna work it in. Yeah, we're gonna be small. Just like, not too much. You know, like we really don't want to be using too much. You don't want the hair to be sticky. I think that should do it, to be honest. Work it in. See how I'm finger detangling as I go. It is already trying to curl my hair definition. So now I am going to separate a part that I'm going to twist. I'm probably going to do this section in three twists. Yep. So I'm going to clip just the part that I don't want. Going to grab this section right here. So the 3-strand twist, right? What I do at the beginning is I just twist it like normal. That's what I'm gonna do. Twist it like normal until I get all the hair in. Okay, now we got all the hair in, right? From one of these sections, these two sections I have, I'm going to grab a piece from each one. Just like this, just a tiny, small, ain't gonna be chunky piece, right? From each section. And I'm going to make them into one, like the pieces from each section, I'm making it into one. So now, as I twist with the two I still had, we are going around with this section all the way. Oh my goodness. There we go. So we're literally going around the twist with this third piece. I will zoom in so that you guys can see better what I'm doing. So twist, and then this is going round. So this just gives the twist more definition because obviously it's more pieces, 3 instead of 2. So yes, I know this seems really confusing at first, and when I first did this, my fingers were really confused. They didn't know what they were doing. They were trying to braid, you know, because confusion. So yeah, normally I keep going until I reach kind of close to the bottom, and then I just go back to a basic, regular, simple 2-strand twist. So we will do that. If you guys are really confused right now, don't worry, I will do it again on another twist so you guys can see what I'm doing better. Let's just twist this section up. Oh, hello. Well, and ba-bam, let's grab another section and, you know, twist up. Twist up. So I'm just gonna split this section that I have here into 2 sections. Again, clip away what I don't need. Okay, sis. So, repeating the process. Just going to flat twist a little at the top. Okay, and now all the hair is in. What I'm going to do, grab a little section from this part, grab a little section from that part. We are going to bring them together to make one. Yes, and then we are going to continue twisting with this section going around. So it's literally like going around the whole twist. That's what it is. That's why it still looks like a twist when you're done. Because it's just wrapping it up. Just wrapping it up. And then when I get to the bottom, just going to 2-strand twist again. 12 and bam! We did it again. So actually now that I have 2, I'm just going to clip this because my hair wants to shrink. Yes. So we are going to repeat that process on the rest of the hair. Let's do it. All right, guys, I am back. I am done. I twisted all of it in the 3-strand twist. So I am going to let this dry completely. We will see. Normally it takes about a day, but I'm actually kind of liking these little twists, you know? So I might leave it in for more than a day since, you know, quarantine and summer break, so like nobody's even seeing me and I'm too lazy to be doing stuff every day. Like, this is my hair stuff for the week, period. So I'm gonna leave this in. We'll see. I might take it out tomorrow. We'll just see how I'm feeling. But yeah, either way, you can let it dry for at least a day and let the curls set in and all that fun stuff. And then I will show you guys the results when I'm ready to take them out. Alright guys, it is the next day. I know I said I might wait. I didn't, because just looking at these twists, like, I was too tempted. And they're already like fully dry and stuff. So I was like, hey, why not just take them out today? But seriously, these twists are looking too juicy. Like, let me give you guys a little close up. Like, you know when you look at the twists, it's just looking so juicy. You already know it's about to be a bomb twist out. Yes, I already know. A bomb twist out coming at ya. 100%. So anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out these twists, show you guys the finished product when I am done. Yeah, let's do it. So I'm going to actually, you know, pack some away so that we can work a little bit at a time. Gonna get my scrunchie right here. Just gonna pack this up, real quick. Bam, that's about to fall right off my head. Let's just do it. You know what? It's fine. It's keeping it in place. It's good. So I am going to start the bottom here. Get some oil on my hands. Like a limited frizz. Not too much oil, like, you don't want too much. All right, guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna pick it and style it how I want, and I will tell you guys of my results when I'm done. Alrighty, guys, so I picked it out and I put in this cute little clip that I bought, which you will see featuring in a mini haul that I will be doing soon. So yes, wow, this twist out was so soft. Like, when I undid those twists, my hair feels so soft, so moisturized, fluffy, and I did the right amount of gel this time, so it's not got that sticky feeling. But I love the look. Like, I've got my curls, you know. Yeah, so I'm really happy with the turnout. I definitely 100% recommend that Shea Moisture curling gel souffle. I love it. It's so moisturizing. My hair feels so soft, guys. Like, you just need to touch it to understand. Like, clouds, guys, clouds. Well, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share. Next week, I will be doing a video on my favorite products to use for my hair and also my opinions about protective styling. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And I'm pretty sure that's it, guys. See you guys in the next video.